Welcome to Christian Mutual MedAid, CMM. This video will guide you through the 4 levels of the membership and the process of requesting medical expenses sharing. For more information, please refer to the guidelines on which this video is based. CMM is a Christian faith-based healthcare sharing organization operated by Logos Missions, a non-profit organization founded in 1976. CMM is not a health insurance company. It is a healthcare sharing ministry where Christians share each other's medical expenses. CMM membership requirements are Christians, under the age of 65, who accept Jesus Christ as their personal Lord and Savior and attend a church, follow biblical teaching on alcohol and marriage, have a U.S. address, and do not abuse prescription or OTC drugs, and do not use illegal drugs, any kind of tobacco, recreational marijuana, or nicotine patches. CMM has 4 levels of membership. All levels have a sharing limitation of $150,000 per illness. Gold Plus level is eligible to share hospitalization and surgery, doctor office visits, tests and treatments, prescriptions for 6 months, emergency room visits, $500 per year for wellness checkups after the 6th month of membership, and pregnancy and maternity expenses, if both couples join. The personal responsibility is $500 per person per anniversary year. Gold level shares hospitalization and surgery, doctor office visits, tests, treatments, prescriptions for 6 months, and emergency room visits. The personal responsibility is $500 per incident per person. Silver and bronze levels share hospitalization and surgery only. The personal responsibility is $1,000 and $5,000 per incident per person, respectively. If the medical expenses exceed the maximum sharing limit of $150,000, the sharing eligibility amount can be increased by an additional $1 million per illness through CMM Merciful Share. Each year of membership adds $100,000, up to a maximum of $1 million. This only applies to new illnesses that occur after the first year of membership and is shared by all members. The first 3 months is a waiting period, during which you are eligible for sharing up to $15,000 if you are hospitalized or have surgery due to an accident or sudden illness. Even if the treatment exceeds 3 months, the maximum amount you can share is $15,000. Any signs, symptoms, tests, and treatments, including medications, that occur during the waiting period are considered pre-join conditions. If there are any signs, symptoms, tests, treatments, or medications received within 1 year prior to joining, they are considered as either pre-join condition 1 or pre-join condition 2, and are eligible for limited sharing. Pre-join condition 1 includes hypertension, diabetes, and hyperlipidemia without hospitalization, or cardiovascular condition that does not have signs, symptoms, tests, and treatment including medication within 1 year before joining. Based on years of membership, sharing for pre-join condition 1 applies based on years of membership as follows: $15,000 in the first year, an additional $10,000 is added for a total of $25,000 in the second year, an additional $25,000 is added for a total of $50,000 in the third year, an additional $100,000 is added for a total of $150,000 in the fourth year. Pre-join condition 2 is for conditions with signs, symptoms, doctor office visits, tests, or treatment, including medication, within the year before joining. Based on years of membership, sharing for pre-join condition 2 applies as follows: no sharing in the first year, $15,000 in the second year, an additional $10,000 is added for a total of $25,000 in the third year, an additional $25,000 is added for a total of $50,000 in the fourth year, an additional $100,000 is added for a total of $150,000 in the fifth year. Cataract surgery is eligible for sharing starting from the 3rd year of membership for Gold Plus and Gold members and from the 6th year for Silver and Bronze members. CMM is not an auto insurance substitute. Once medical expense coverage from your auto insurance is fully applied, up to $50,000 for individuals and $100,000 for families can be shared. Some medical expenses are not eligible for sharing, such as dental treatment, oriental or herbal medicine, mental treatment, chiropractic, alternative medicine, fertility treatments, ambulance, extreme sports, and congenital conditions. Heart conditions or cancer that occurred before membership or during the waiting period will not be eligible for sharing. Because CMM is not an insurance, there is no network of providers. You can access healthcare anywhere in the United States and abroad, including South Korea. If you plan to visit a healthcare provider, please contact the Needs Processing Department at 773-777-8889, extension 5011. Because CMM is not insurance, when you visit a healthcare provider, please register as a self-pay patient and request financial assistance or discounts to reduce your personal responsibility and keep CMM monthly gifts low. Members must obtain an itemized bill and proof of payment from the healthcare providers. Submit the itemized bill, proof of payment, and needs processing forms to CMM. CMM hosts intercessory prayer meetings every Wednesday and Sunday at Logos Chapel. All members will receive the Korean Christian Journal, which contains the CMM monthly newsletter, by mail and email. All members will also receive a monthly gift reminder and monthly newsletter with important information by mail or email. Please review the information and join us in praying for healing and recovery of our members. If you have any questions, please call us or visit our website. Thank you for watching the video. Together, we build a worry-free world for Christians' healthcare. Christian Mutual MedAid, CMM.